Hi guys, today I'm going to take you to an airplane restaurant that I'm currently working in and which is really beautiful. Hi guys, welcome back to Army Moon. How have you been lately? I do believe you guys have been really great. For me, I've been really amazing too. By the way guys, today I'm going to take you to my workplace because I've never made any videos about my workplace. That's why I'm really excited and can't wait to take you guys to my workplace. So let's get together with me. I'm going to take a taxi motorbike just in front of my apartment. I have to wait for a motorbike a little bit first. You know, back in the day, I used to go to work by foot. Now my work doesn't let me go to work by foot. That's why I am supposed to take a motorbike first. By the way guys, I don't literally see any motorbike coming towards me. That's why I don't know if I have to take a motorbike, an application, or just a running motorbike. I'm really confused.
2,000 years later.
Guys, I've just decided to take a little walk to a certain point on my way to work, and later that I'm now wait for another motorbike because I didn't see any motorbike coming towards me. That's why I better take a little bit work. Also, I'm going to be late, unfortunately. That's why I need to hurry up. Yay! I eventually got a motorbike and I'm on my way to my workplace. By the way guys, I'm currently working in Changchui Park, and also my airplane restaurant is located in that park. I'm gonna take a little bit walk to the airplane. Guys, check this out, how huge and incredible this airplane is. And this airplane has been already 60 years old and is really ancient. I also have to scan my fingerprint just to prove that I work today. And I'm going up and I can't wait to show you guys how beautiful the restaurant is. This is the entrance for the staff, and check this out, how beautiful and stunning it is. Guys, I was 5 minutes late. Please don't tell anyone. Thank you. By the way guys, I'm gonna start working. The first thing I have to initiate doing is to wipe the tables until they are totally clean. Wipe it, wipe it, wipe it, wipe it, wipe it. And moreover, I have to use this little bottle of spray in which Dettol cleansing oil and some water are mixed. After wiping the tables, I am supposed to start setting up the tables with napkins, cutleries, and some glasses as well. And I have to set up the table according to the customer's reservations. Since I'm working in a fine dining restaurant, which means I need to get things done very beautifully. I mean, I have to set up the table very beautifully so the customers could enjoy their dinner, they could take videos or like pictures. Now I'm doing the napkins in order to get into their shapes. And the napkin style, it's sort of like a corn. And this one is also called corn style napkin. And I have to do the napkins for the tables that we have customers. And I have to do it very carefully and beautifully as well. Look, people are getting ready for tonight. Later that, now it's about time for me that I started sitting up and decorating the table beautifully with full of cutleries, menus, napkins, and also glasses as well. After setting up the table, we're supposed to wipe the glasses with hot water again. And later this, I am supposed to get through with cleaning up the cutleries. I also have to use hot water again to clean up the cutleries. And I started cleaning up the cutleries with my colleague. And he helped me with these cutleries. And this is so nice of him. And also, I have to clean up the trays with the spray that I just mentioned. I have to apologize to you guys because my video is mute for the time being because there is some background music that could get copyright, and that is why I didn't turn it on for you guys. Guys, I'm done setting up and decorating the table according to the customer's reservations, and here is how it is. Take a look, please. Guys, now it's about time for the staffs to take a break and have lunch. So I'm gonna be on my way to the shop to order some food for me. By the way, my work starts at 2:30 p.m. in the afternoon, but you know, my working hour is not stable. Sometimes I can get off work according to the customer. My finish time depends on the customer. So if they would like to stay, I supposed to wait a little bit. เสร็จแล้วเท่าไหร่ครับแม่6560แล้วโอเคครับ I got this little lovely lunch and I'm gonna have it with my colleague. ครับเนี่ยไปที่กินข้าวอ่ะไม่มีอะไรถ่ายเลยวะ Now it's about time for me to start ironing my uniforms to get ready for work. I really love my position. I mean, my service position. And I'm really proud of being a server to customers. I've been working this position for like 3 years and I'm loving it. By the way, particularly at my workplace, there is much more pleasure rather than pressure. I really love the environment, the people, and what I like the best about my workplace is the people. They've been really good to each other. This is really great. At my workplace, we are supposed to be on floor by 5:30. That's why we are supposed to get things done by 5:30. That's why I'm dressing up. I am putting my guard on and also I am putting my name card on. I'm literally preparing for the night, to be able to experience the customer. Guys, I'm all set. Guys, I'm ready to work. I'm all set. Let me show you my workplace, which is really incredible and beautiful. I really love my workplace because it's really beautiful. As Christmas is approaching, our airplane is being decorated in Christmas themes. And this is my favorite spot in the airplane. I love this spot. This is really fantastic. The name of our restaurant is Nao, comes from Noah's Ark, which is Christian name. That is why our airplane is decorated with animals which were naturally dead. This is my best friend. Hi, bitch. How are you? We also decorate the animals with Christmas accessories. Look at them. They are really cute in those heads. Guys, by the way, we're going to start to work very soon, and during working hours we are not allowed to use our cell phones. That is why I'm gonna keep my cell phone in the kitchen. And thank you very much for watching my video till the end, and I really would like to see you guys in my next video. And I would like to say you guys are really amazing. You guys have been really great to me, and thank you for this. And you guys are the most incredible people in the world. And I think I can say thank you, Annette, to you guys, because you guys have been watching my videos and supporting me and cheering me up. So thank you for this. Thank you very much, guys.